Hey, what's going on guys? This is Abhay Tech Sport and this is my how to get unlimited speed on your internet or how to increase your internet speed video tutorial. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. So you can guys simply increase your internet speed by watching these full video tutorials. So guys, this is a 100% legit method and it will be 2016 edition video, so it will works. I am basically a user of it. So guys, first go to speedtest.net to test my original internet speed that I have. And guys, I am use a broadband internet connection with 2 Mbps speed. So guys, let's see. I am hide my ISP IP and my ISP name. Okay guys, so here's a begin test. Okay, click on begin test and it will be show up now your internet speed. And this is the my before to do anything to increase internet speed. So guys, this is my original as I say, and I'll be tested again after I do the trick that I'll be teach you today's in this video. So guys, as you can see on here, the download speed 56.56 megabyte per second, which is not so good, and the upload speed will 45.28 megabyte per second, which is also not so good. To get better internet speed, all you have need to do, go to a website on the down below on my blog post. The website will post it, and it is a website called Rabbit and rap.it. So just go to here. First of all, click on sign up, and on the sign up just fill those valuable information, or you can sign up with Facebook, which is a easiest and fastest method, but I already have an account, so I am just quickly sign in. Here say welcome back, what would you like to do, and just click it here, and on here your name will be appear, and you can click this arrow and click on my room, or you can click on go to my room. This is your choice, and I already uploaded a photo which is I am blurred. This is my photo on here. As you guys see here, say this is your basically your web browser. Okay, so here popular website, TV, movies, all, and also a lot of good stuff here. On here you can click on social, it will be show up Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, Vine, a lot of good stuff. And Taylor, this is I believe latest movie Taylor. So I am just launchpad call this. So I am click on a popular website, and on here you can find Google, YouTube, and the Taylor will be already open, but I am click on Google and it will be just turn me on Google. And if you want it to be full screen, you can click this three dot and click on, first of all click hide bubble, then click enter full screen, and on here you should click this, and boom guys, your new browser will open. And this is the Mozilla Firefox install. This is a Linux operating system. On there you cannot transfer anything, but you can download or live chat on Skype or video calling, and you can download file then transfer into your drive. First of all, let show me my internet speed by go to speedtest.net, the URL that I am use first to test my internet speed, and it will give you a random IP. So this is a technology that mean you can just remote a server and computer which have a good internet speed or a high internet speed. It will just give you up to 500 to 900 megabyte per second, which is just awesome. As you can guys see, that download speed is 735.98 megabyte per second, which is damn good guys. They're freaking awesome. and the upload speed is just going. The upload speed is 538.21 megabyte per second and the ping 4. So let's test a thing. Just go to my site. You can also download this Rabbit on your any device, means iPad or iPhone or your Android device, and let's download a file. And as you can guys see, the browsing speed also so good. You can on here just logging your Facebook account or anything, you can browse also internet, which is pretty awesome, and you can do anything you want. So let's download a file. Let's download this Pengu 9 new version for Windows, 77.9 megabyte. You can click on save file, click OK, and as you can guess, let's download another file. Let's download this Taiji for 8.0 to 8.2, 50 megabyte, and 4 second it will also download it. So let's now download a big file to show you the just download speed that the browser will give you. So I'm going to ipsw.me to download a iOS firmware, which is a gigabyte or 2 gigabyte. So let's choose anything. Yep, choose a version. I'm choosing the latest version, and this is a file which is 2.48 gigabyte. Okay, so click this, and it will be take only 1 minute. And as you can see, the download speed per second will be increasing. And when I download the big file, I don't know why it will be just fail. This is a bug that I found, but I don't know why they will not fix, because the store because the cloud store they will be give will be not enough. So now I show how can I upload any file to internet. So for example, I am use ZipShare and click on browse, and all your downloaded file will be go to this download folder, and here I am choose this and click on start upload. And as you can see, the lighting speed they will give, it will be just upload within couple of seconds, and they will also give you a link. So all you have need to do, copy the link. Let's paste here. So guys, that's it for in this video tutorial. I hope you will be enjoyed. To enjoy it, like the video, subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to like our Facebook fan page, follow me on Twitter, and add me on Google+. So as always guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.